Hello Adobe Express designers, need to add some files to your project? I have got you covered. Let's quickly learn how to upload files and take your design to the next level. Open Adobe Express app and either start a new project or open an existing one. Tap on the upload button at the top left corner of the screen. Select files from the options. Choose the file you want to upload from your device, whether it's an image, PDF, or another file type. Once uploaded, you can adjust the size, position, and other properties of the file directly within the editor. You can upload different types of files like images, graphics, or even logos to enhance your design. If your file won't upload, check the file format and size. Make sure it's supported by Adobe Express. What type of files do you add the most to your designs? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.